For episode 3 of this Amazon FBA series, I am going to be doing some good old retail arbitrage where I hit up a bunch of local targets in my area in search for an extremely profitable and trendy product to resell this Easter season. And then at the end of this video, I am going to be sharing with you guys how my Amazon account has hit nearly $1,000 in sales in just 3 weeks. Based on the intro I just said right there, you guys already know this is going to be an absolute banger of a video, and to get things started, the product I am going to try to buy from my local targets to resell on Amazon FBA is this Dash Bunny waffle maker, selling for $9.99 each inside of the stores. This product is absolutely trending right now due to us nearing the Easter season, and therefore its lowest FBA offer on Amazon is for around $23. So that means after our $10 product cost, shipping costs, and Amazon fees, we will profit around $5 for every single waffle maker I sell. For this reason, in this video, I am going to be clearing out the shelves at 4 or 5 different targets, and I'm also going to start this video off by making a fat online order for these waffle makers on Target.com. Somehow, these waffle makers are still in stock on Target.com, so I'm going to go ahead and make the biggest order I possibly can on my Target account, which is 10 waffle makers. And now that we officially have these waffle makers in my cart, our total comes out to $104.90, and boom, it should arrive at my crib within the next 2 days by March 3rd. These 10 waffle makers have a little bit of a higher buy cost of $10.49, but nonetheless, it still gives us a projected profit of $45 to start the day, which is absolutely nothing to complain about. Before you guys leave a bunch of comments down below asking me questions about what I would do if these waffle makers don't end up selling on Amazon, well, number one, I could easily return them to Target for my money back, and number two, they have a sales rank of 45,000 on Amazon, which means it should sell pretty much instantly as soon as I list them due to high demand. Before we leave to hit up all 4 of the different targets I have plotted out to visit today, I do want to give a quick shout out to my guy Carter Maxwell for giving me this absolutely amazing Amazon FBA lead. I joined his course about 1 month ago when I first started up in this business model, and ever since then he's been providing his students like me absolutely amazing leads on products pretty much every single week. So if you guys want to join the course as well, I will have a link down below in the description for you to get $50 off. Let me know if any of you guys join, because I'm also in the course and the Discord chat. And with that being said, let's head over to the first target location. I just pulled up to the first target location, and as you guys can see right here, they ended up having 4 total Dash waffle makers. So that's pretty much an easy $20 in projected profit after I check out. I just spent a grand total of $42.16 on waffle makers inside of Target since they had 4 left in stock, and after I sell each and every single one of those on Amazon, that'll leave us with around $17-18 in profit after fees and all expenses. So with that being said, I'm now going to head over to 3 more Target locations over the next several hours and essentially do the same thing I just did, but hopefully we'll find more waffle makers at each store. As you guys can see, target number 2 ended up having 8 waffle makers. Store number 3 ended up having 3 waffle makers available to purchase. Target number 4 ended up having 4 waffle makers available, so overall not a bad trip. In total, including the ones we purchased online, we secured a total of 29 waffle makers today, which should bring in a projected revenue of $665.84 based on the lowest Amazon FBA offer. From that, of course, we have product cost of $304.81. Then we have Amazon fees of $222.14, and we have shipping costs of $15. After you subtract all of those expenses, that brings our total profit for this challenge to $100 $123.89 after we sell all of the waffle makers, which is absolutely not bad because I probably only spent like 2 or 3 hours today going to different targets to secure some waffle makers to resell. At the time I'm recording this clip right here, it's about to be dark out, so with that being said, guys, I'm probably going to pick the video back up tomorrow for me to ship out all of the different waffle makers I purchased, and also for me to tell you guys how the business is going in terms of revenue so far. Good morning, guys. Welcome to day number 2 of this video, and well, 19 of the 29 waffle makers I purchased yesterday are right here on the table in front of me, and I'm going to be putting them all in this big box to get them shipped out to Amazon. As you guys can see in front of me, this large box is officially filled with nothing but large waffle makers, and after paying $8 for shipping, it is officially ready to be taken to the post office. With that little journey out of the way, I want to take the rest of this video to explain how much revenue and how much profit I have made so far throughout my Amazon FBA journey. And to get things started, I want to take you guys back 3 weeks to when I made the first episode of this series. In episode 1 of this Amazon FBA series, my friend Carter and I visited a Walmart to purchase 3 weight sets for $97 each. Each of the weight sets were selling on Amazon for anywhere between $260 and $270, so that means after all Amazon sellers fees, shipping costs, and even the $97 product cost, I secured a profit of $174 on these weight sets after they all sold, which took about 1 week. After buying those weight sets in episode 1 of this Amazon FBA series, Carter and I continued our reselling journey by buying some Valentine's Day waffle makers. In total, we only picked up 4 of the waffle makers since the Valentine's Day hype was kind of dying down, but we were able to sell every single one of them for a total of $16 in profit since we bought them inside of Walmart for $10 each and resold them on Amazon for $21 each. The fees kind of ate into our profits quite a bit, but nonetheless, $16 profit is nothing to complain about. In episode 2 of this series, Carter and I went thrifting around the city of Milwaukee to find used books and electronics to resell. After going thrifting for a few hours, we found a ton of different used books and electronics to resell, and since it's been only about a week since I shipped those products out to Amazon, a lot of it hasn't sold yet, except for yesterday. I got a sale for one of the books I purchased, and after all expenses and shipping costs, I secured $6.21 in profit on a book I bought for $1. Now that I have tried out both Amazon FBA retail arbitrage and thrifting, I honestly like retail arbitrage so much better. The thought of going out to as many different stores as possible and clearing out the shelves in search for one singular product is a really cool idea for me, and it's a lot of fun clearing out the shelves of places like Home Depot, Walmart, or Target. Honestly, opportunities like this don't really present themselves often, but as soon as they do, I'll try to jump on them to try and make some money, and then also film a video for this channel so you guys will have a chance to try and find these products also. With that being said, so far from the $935 in revenue I have generated from Amazon FBA in the past 3 weeks, $196 of that is profit, and I'm sure that number is going to go up massively after I sell out of all of the inventory I bought in episode 2 of this series, which cost me about $70, and after I sell all of the waffle makers I bought yesterday. If you guys want to get into Amazon FBA, please feel free to check out the Amazon FBA course down below in the description, and for those of you who don't have the money to buy that quite yet, I also made a free tutorial on Amazon FBA, which you can check out right here on the screen. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.